Did your SuiteCRM ever tell you that you have too many failed login attempts? Let's try and fix this today. So maybe you've seen this one before and now you're struggling, you can't log in, or you want to see how you can increase the security a little bit. So here, what is it good for? Why does it happen? So as it already reads, too many failed login attempts, please try again later. How to avoid this? Use your correct username and password. If you don't know this, don't click multiple times on the button. But if it happens, how to get out of this? So this is not a standard SuiteCRM user interface thing. And if you're the admin arrived here, then you can't do anything anyway via the graphical user interface. So let's go onto the server and check out the details here. So as you will see, this is our standard root installation of our SuiteCRM 8.x, any SuiteCRM 8 version, and there is something called env, like the environment variables file. And there's plenty of stuff that you can configure. We are particularly interested in this login area details here. So there's login throttling max attempts. So what you could do is you could just increase it to 8 attempts, because if you didn't work it out in 5 attempts, maybe it works in 8 attempts. You could even maybe reduce it down to 10 minutes or something like this. So you can play around with those details, whatever makes sense for you. So what I can try now is the following. I would go and edit my local version of this one here. And in order to do this, I would usually use the www-data user, and I would edit the .env.local file. And there, yeah, as you can see, there's my not much going on here. So first of all, it's only the database connection plus my app secret. And what I can do now is I can paste this one here, and I would say it happens that people use it like 5 times wrong, but 9 times it's just wrong. Alternatively, you can make it way more secure, so that password guessing is more impossible, and just throttle it at 2 wrong attempts. You'll have to see why or when you want to do this, and therefore adjust it according to your needs. Next thing that you want to do is you want to clear your cache. The other way around. Cache clear, exactly. So here again I'm using PHP 8.3. If you have multiple versions or if you have another environment, might be different, and I like to use the web server user to clear the cache in the first place, because then there's no root folder being created and my web server later on can't write into this one. So here I just have to change this one, and if I'm now doing the same thing again, so I'm going here, login credentials incorrect, okay, now I know it, so I just have to select the correct ones, and it works again. My SuiteCRM is letting me into the system again. Therefore, pay attention to this one. Sometimes you need to work with the configuration variables on your server, and you can solve or fix issues quickly. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for this short video. See you next time. Bye.